Interesting with your fund because you don't just do small caps, you do the smallest of small caps. You really skew toward the lower end of the range in terms of market cap. Does that mean there are more volatility issues with a fund like yours and with some of the names in the fund?
Yeah, it's the small cap is a very large universe of stocks, and we think there's opportunity to add more value as you look at the smaller companies within the small cap segment. It tends to be more inefficient, and so it's an opportunity for us to add value in that particular segment. The downside is you can get a bit more volatility, but what we try to do is we try to use that volatility as an opportunity to buy good companies at compelling prices. So we try to take advantage of that volatility.
Two areas you like right now, financial technology, those are your biggest sector holdings. What's going on in those two groups?
Right now we're seeing in the financial space that the companies, there's a lot of niche specialty segments that are seeing good growth opportunities, whether it's debt collection companies. There's also some specialty mortgage servicing companies. So we're seeing some nice opportunities there. And then in the technology segment, you are starting to see video really drive appetite for bandwidth over the internet. And so we've got a couple of niche plays in there where we think technology's got a nice growth run ahead of it.
Most of your holdings are in the U.S. You do hold about 10% of the portfolio outside in countries that include Canada, Greece, and Norway. Is there something about those countries in particular, or is it just sort of by happenstance the stocks are domiciled there?
It's more happenstance that they're domiciled there. The companies are generally, a majority of their operations are U.S. based because we're U.S. investors, and so we want to invest in an area where we think we can add value. There are a couple of companies that are a bit more global in nature, and just with the current U.S. corporate tax structure, it makes more sense for them to domicile offshore, which is a trend we're seeing picking up most recently.